So you just got your Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra. These are the settings that you should consider changing first. Starting off with the side key. After setting up your watch for the first time, this key is assigned to Bixby when you long press on it. And when you double press this side key, it goes to the most recent app. Now let's assign Google Assistant to this key. For that, go to Google Play Store on your Galaxy Watch. Scroll down and tap on Manage Apps. Here you will see an update for Google Assistant. Install this update and go through rest of the setup process. Also, I'll suggest to avoid that voice wake up feature as it will drain a lot of battery on your Galaxy Watch. Once done, now we have to remap this key to Google Assistant. For that, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on Buttons and Gestures. Here under Home button, you will see press and hold. Tap it and choose Assistant. Also, we have to change double press option. Right now it goes to the most recent app. I suggest to change it to recent apps. In this way you can go to any app running in the background, plus you can also close all the apps at once. This will help to save battery life if you're not using them anymore. So check it out. Next, every Galaxy Watch Ultra comes with LTE feature by default. That means even if you're not using LTE, your Galaxy Watch Ultra will be on this auto option. In order to get a little extra battery life from your Galaxy Watch, I'll suggest to use this option that says always off. Once again, this option is in settings. Choose connections, then mobile networks, and now tap on always off. Let me know in the comment section if you are using LTE on your Galaxy Watch Ultra or not. A lot of people don't know, but you can control almost any setting on your Galaxy phone using your Galaxy Watch. Thanks to modes and routines on Galaxy phone, this is possible. For example, if I want to turn off Wi-Fi, I will just swipe down and tap on this first option right here. Now if I choose Wi-Fi, it will turn off Wi-Fi on my phone. And if I want to turn on mobile hotspot, I will just tap on hotspot, and now it is turned on my Galaxy phone. For this, simply go to settings on your Galaxy phone, tap on modes and routines. Now add a new mode like I have added here for Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot. These modes will be synced with your Galaxy Watch and you can control your phone just from your wrist. So check it out. Galaxy smartwatches have an amazing option to detect a hard fall that can save your life, but for some reason by default it is not turned on. To set it up, go to Wearable app on your Galaxy phone. Now tap on Settings and choose Safety and Emergency. Here you will see a hard fall option right here. Just tap it and set it up. Choose your emergency contact number like 911 or any other, and that's it. Galaxy Watch Ultra has now better sensors. You can check out temperature of different objects using this watch. For that, you have to download an app from Google Play Store, that is ThermoCheck app. This is an app from Samsung that will give you information about temperature of different objects. Once this app is installed, open it and tap on Living. Choose one time and follow on-screen instructions. For example, I'm checking out the temperature of this metal object. You have to keep your watch at least 2 centimeters away from that object. Before moving on to more settings, this is an amazing design from MD that is available on Google Play Store under the name of MD338. I'm giving away many free coupons for this phase. For that, just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. Make sure to add a GPX file to your Galaxy Watch so you can use it later whenever you need turn-by-turn navigation. For that, simply complete your workout with your Galaxy Watch, and after that open Samsung Health on your phone. Here you will see that workout. For example, I am picking up this running workout. Now tap on these 3 dots and choose Save Route. Name your route, and after that, on your Galaxy Watch, press this quick button. This will open your exercises. tap on settings and scroll down. Choose route and tap add on phone. Now choose that GPX file that you already saved on your Galaxy phone. So that's it. Now your watch will give turn-by-turn navigations based on that GPX file. Double pinch is an awesome gesture that lets you pick and end calls, play or pause music just from your watch using this simple movement. But once again, by default, it is not turned on. To enable this, go to settings, scroll down and choose buttons and gestures. Here once again scroll down and under gestures, you will see double pinch. Just turn on this option and that's it. Next setting that you should change right after getting your Galaxy Watch is making it a bit more snappy. For that, go to settings, scroll down and tap on about watch. Choose software information and now tap multiple times on software version. Developer mode will be now turned on. Now go back to developer options and scroll down till you see window animation scale and transition animation scale. They are right here. Choose 0.5x for both of them. Now animations and opening apps are a lot quicker than before. In the end, make sure your Galaxy Watch is continuously monitoring your heart rate. For that, go to Samsung Health, scroll down and tap on heart rate. Here you will see settings right here, just tap it and it should be set to measure continuously. Since Watch Ultra is designed to focus on your health with better sensors, I will suggest to use this first option rather than saving a little more battery by compromising your health data. So these were some of the settings that you should change right after getting your Galaxy Watch Ultra. Which setting you have already changed? Let me know about it in the comment section. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.